Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the program called Canva. Canva is a free to use website that lets you design, collaborate, and share all of your ideas. You can create things for your personal life, your business, or educational purposes. In this video, we'll be talking about how to log in or sign up, the different elements within Canva, and what to do after you finish creating your ideas. The first thing you'd like to do is either log in or sign up. I personally already have an account, so I would click log in. If you do not, make sure you click sign up. The easiest thing to do is use your Google, because then you can use Google to save all of your documents and create them and put them in Google Drive. If you don't have Google, I recommend making a Google account just for the ease of this website and many other websites. I have an account, so I'm going to go to log in, and like I said, I'll use my Google account. I need to click on my appropriate account and I'll be in. In order to start any project you want to do, you would click create a design. As I said, you can do things for your personal life like Instagram posts, you can make posters, logos, all different kinds of things. The list goes on and on and on. For our assignment, we're going to create a worksheet. And in this worksheet, there's different types of worksheets, but we're going to create an 8.5 by 11 worksheet, just a normal piece of paper. Once you click on that, you are now in the design portion of Canva. The awesome thing about Canva is they already have pre-made templates for you. So you can click on any of these templates that you like and start from there, or you can start from scratch. On the left side, we have our templates, like I just said, and we also have the elements page. The Elements page allows you to find different graphics, shapes, sizes, photos, videos, all different kinds of things to add to enhance your project. Here's some things I've recently used. We have the Lines and Shapes category, the Graphics category, photos, videos, audio, charts, frames, and grids. Personally, I have not used the grids one, the frames, or the videos. I normally get all of my stuff from the Lines and Shapes, the graphics, and the frame at the bottom. So let's say we want to create a worksheet. I'm actually going to use a template that I found for a multiplication under the C math worksheet. As soon as I click on that template, it appears in my editing area. Let's say you're an English work teacher, you can find an English worksheet, social studies, science, the list goes on and on and on. I teach math, so I'm going to use this math multiplication under the C worksheet. Now, let's say there are some things I want to change. In Canva, you are able to edit and change any type of thing that you want. So for example, let's say I don't like the fish on this worksheet. I can just click on the fish, click delete, click on the other one, click delete, and I'm going to go into the elements section to find my own. I already found this dolphin, but let's say I did not have him already. I'm going to search for dolphin in the elements section, and there all these pictures of dolphins will appear. So I'm going to click on this guy right here, and he starts off in the middle of my screen, but now I can just move him to the top. These little white boxes or buttons you can resize, and now I have a dolphin on my worksheet. Let's say I wanted a turtle. I could search for turtle, and I could find a turtle that I wanted. You could use a realistic one. You could use one that's animated if you're going to keep it digitally. But I'm going to use this one right here. So again, I can move him up here. I'm going to resize him a little bit. And now he is part of my page. So instead of having the fish, I have a dolphin and a turtle. You could also change the colors of your text by highlighting everything. And then going up here, you can change the font, the text size, and the colors. You can center it, bold it. The possibilities are endless. Let's say I want to change any of these problems. Let's say my students don't know negative numbers yet. I could double click on this paper or on this section, delete it, and I can type in 5 times 19. They don't know negative numbers. I'm going to delete this again, and I'm going to want 13 times 23. And you can keep on going and change anything. You can change the sizes of these by coming up here. You can change the font size of your multiplication. Like I said, the possibilities are endless. It is totally up to you, whatever your design or what you have in mind, you can use and you can do in Canva. That is the awesome thing. Now, like I said, the templates are awesome to use if you are looking for something really quick to do, or if you have your own idea, just start from scratch. It is so awesome to use Canva. Let's say I'm good with this worksheet and I want to give it to my students. 2 easy ways to do that are to A, download it as a PDF. You would just come over here and click PDF, and you can save it onto your computer, print it out, give it to your kids. Now, in this day and age with COVID and the pandemic, a lot of us have done things digitally. So you could hit these 3 dots and save it to your Google Drive and post it into Google Classroom or your own LMS, or you can actually assign it into Google Classroom yourself. Or Canva came out with this option where you can create a classroom and you can assign the actual worksheet in Canva. So the possibilities are endless with assigning or finishing your product. In the activities, you will be working on creating your own designs and playing with these types of elements. So good luck and have fun. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.